Real excited about this flip we have coming over in the Cherokee area. Should be finished by Wednesday. It's got an open concept. Everything on it's been redone. New architectural roof, low E windows, insulated doors, new garage doors, everything. Real hardwood floors and tile, granite, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets, custom trim, not your basic. New electrical, interior, exterior paint, patio, new fence. It'll be FHA ready. Bring your buyers. Oh yeah, and it's only 2 miles from the University of Memphis, about 8-9 minutes. Stay tuned for many more properties we have.